Hey, coffee lovers and health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Comfy Homes, where we brew up the best tips for living your healthiest life. Today, we're going on a deep dive into one of the world's most beloved beverages, coffee. We all know it's a great pick-me-up, but did you know that your daily cup of joe is also packed with health benefits? Stick around because by the end of this video, you might just love your coffee even more. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the number one reason most of us reach for that coffee cup: energy. Coffee's power to wake us up comes from caffeine, the most commonly used psychoactive substance in the world. When you drink coffee, caffeine travels to your brain, where it blocks adenosine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel sleepy. As a result, you feel more awake, alert, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Whether you're hitting the gym, powering through a workday, or just trying to keep your eyes open in that morning meeting, coffee is like your secret weapon. But that's just the start. Let's see what else coffee has to offer. Now, we all know that fruits and veggies are packed with antioxidants, but did you know that for many people, coffee is actually the biggest source of antioxidants in their diet? Yep, you heard that right. Coffee is loaded with powerful antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and polyphenols. These antioxidants are like little bodyguards that protect your cells from damage by free radicals, which are those pesky molecules that contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. So while you're sipping on your favorite brew, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're also giving your body a serious dose of protective compounds. Cheers to that! Let's move on to something that's close to all of our hearts, literally. There's been a lot of talk over the years about coffee and heart health. So here's the scoop: studies show that moderate coffee consumption, around 3 to 5 cups a day, can actually reduce the risk of heart disease. This might be because coffee helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key player in heart disease. And get this, coffee has also been linked to a lower risk of stroke. So your morning ritual might be doing more for your heart than just making it beat faster from excitement. Of course, as with anything, moderation is key. Too much coffee can raise your blood pressure temporarily, but for most people, the benefits far outweigh any risks. Now let's talk about something just as important: our mental health. Coffee doesn't just help us feel more awake and focused in the short term, it might also have long-term benefits for our brain. Regular coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. How? Coffee's caffeine content and antioxidant properties are thought to play a role by protecting brain cells and reducing the risk of mental decline. Plus, there's evidence that coffee might help improve your mood and lower the risk of depression. It's all thanks to coffee's ability to boost neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are the feel-good chemicals in our brain. So, not only does coffee make you feel good in the moment, but it might also keep your brain healthier and happier in the long run. Let's raise our cups to a longer life, because coffee has been linked to increased longevity. Yep, several large studies have shown that people who drink coffee tend to live longer, with a lower risk of death from all causes, including heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Researchers believe this could be due to coffee's effects on reducing chronic inflammation, improving heart health, and protecting against mental decline. So your daily coffee habit might just be adding years to your life. Here's to living long, living well, and enjoying every sip along the way. Wow, who knew that something as simple as a cup of coffee could pack such a powerful punch when it comes to our health? From boosting energy and providing a rich source of antioxidants to protecting our heart and brain and even helping us live longer, coffee is truly a wonder drink. Just remember, like all good things, it's best enjoyed in moderation. Too much coffee can lead to jitteriness or disrupt your sleep, so find your perfect balance and enjoy the benefits. Thanks for joining me on this coffee-fueled journey today. If you found this video helpful, or if you just love coffee as much as I do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coffee lovers, and subscribe to Comfy Homes for more awesome health tips. And hey, drop a comment below. How do you take your coffee? I'd love to know. Until next time, stay caffeinated and stay healthy.